Hey guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to delete the game on the Nintendo Switch. So we're gonna head over to System Setting, click on that. So go to Data Management, and from here we can see System Memory, SD card, and so on. And you would like to select Manage Software. So click on that. And now this is a game that I would like to delete, so click on A to select the game, and then go down to delete software. Now press A to select delete software, so then delete, and say delete software successfully delete the software. Click OK. And now they say, yeah, there's no software there. So the game is successfully deleted from the Nintendo Switch. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Click a like if you like the video, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!